Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah, up to previous classes, we are learning about demo classes side, some terminology. Today onwards, we are starting our regular sessions. Up to previous classes, whatever I am telling, we don't know anything also, not a problem. Just some idea purpose I am telling about those classes only. Now, up to some stage, you are also writing about some notes, okay, maybe 4 or 5 days like that only. Up to after installation, some concept based only. Main heading, Oracle 19C. Oracle 19C. What is Oracle 19C means? Oracle is a relational data model product, no? One of the popular relational data model product. What is the purpose of this relational data model product means to store structured collection of data. I am also here also operating a what data in those relational data model products means we are using SQL language and Oracle side PLSQL is a language and dynamic SQL is a language. These are all the things you have an idea in up to those things in a previous classes already I told. Okay. Today some different way I will tell you up to this one write it notes only just idea purpose fastly write it. Main heading first class this one Oracle 19C. Oracle is an write it okay. Oracle is a relational database which is used to store data. Oracle is a relational database which is used to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Oracle is a relational database which is used to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. If you want to operate Oracle, then we are using following languages. If we want to operate Oracle, then we are using following languages. These are first one SQL, second one PLSQL, third one write it dynamic SQL. These are first one SQL, second one PLSQL, third one dynamic SQL. Okay, na? Up to this one, everyone knows, no? In a previous classes, anybody not at means demo classes said observe it here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now onwards different. Suppose screen observe it. In my desktop only, here, observe it here. Something is there. What is this one? SQL plus. What is this one? Oracle is a database software. But SQL is a language, you have an idea. But what is this SQL plus? Anybody have an idea? Very good. SQL plus is a client tool or query tool. How you are understandable these things means I will tell you now. Very important. Through the query tool, through daily we are connected to the web server. I will tell you those are client server architecture. Whenever we are installing the Oracle software, what happened? I will tell you. This is connected to Oracle database. Something is there or not? Yes, here. Now check it out. Observe it here. If you want to understandable those all concepts means first observe it here. Non-technical person purpose. I am telling now differently. Slowly observe it here. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software. After 1 or 2 days after, you are also installing Oracle software. Slowly observe it here. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, automatically one place is reserved in a disk that is called Oracle database. There is a place, no? Yeah. Now check it out. Check it out here. I am a user, for example. I am an employee or user, any user. Observe it here. I want to store some data into where this Oracle database, for example. I'm a user. I want to store some data into where this Oracle database. Again, maybe I want to fetch means retro. I want to fetch some data from this Oracle database. Fetch means that is also called as retro data from this Oracle database. Observe here. Observe here. Here, I am a user or employee wants to perform some operations. Suppose, for example, easily understandable purpose, I want to store some data into where this Oracle database. And also, I want to fetch some data from this Oracle database. Then I am using a what? Two-step process, not a single step. If any user wants to store or retrieve data from Oracle database, then those users are users two-step process. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. This is a client server architecture. Two-step process. How many steps are there? Two-step process. What is the first step means? Observe it here. Easily understandable. Today practically I will introduce step one also. Step one is also called as connect is a step only. What is that one? I will show you practically today. Connect is a step. In this connect step only, something is there. Connect step only, one tool they are using only. What is the tool? SQL plus tool. Again, Toad is a tool, SQL developer is a tool, SQL navigator is a tool. Those all the things today I will tell you. That is diagrammatically also I am representing. Don't worry. The tools awareness purpose. Again, this tool is not required to install. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically this tool is available. I will show you those things. So first observe here. Step one means connect step. Again, within a connect step, one of the tool is what? Example, SQL plus is a tool. Once you are a user, connect to the where server by using a tool means next step is what? Then only we are communicate with the database. That is a step two. Communicate with the database. How we are communicate with the database? Communication step side, we are using a what? Son of here is SQL and PLSQL languages. SQL and PLSQL languages we are using. That's why two-step process, client server architecture, you have an idea means nothing, very easy. Now slowly write it, those steps also first time, no? Write it. Up to some stage, write it. Okay, 4 or 5 days, write it. If any user, later not required, okay. If any user, notes write it. If any user, easily understandable, write it. If any user wants to perform, some operations on Oracle database, not other database, Oracle. If any user wants to perform some operations on Oracle database, then that user uses, write it, then that user uses following two-step process. Then that user uses following two-step process. These are step one, connect, write it. What is connect step means? Today I will tell you, don't worry. Step one, connect. Example, write it, SQL plus tool. Second one, step two, communication. Communication. Example, SQL, PLSQL languages. Step 2, communication. In this communication step, example SQL, PL SQL languages. Okay. What is connect step means here some tools names I want only. Okay, you are a first time non-technical person means those tool names also important. In a real time, some other tools also SQL developer, these type of terminology very important because you are working in a company side means not only SQL plus tool, SQL developer side regularly you are using a what? These concept SQL, PL, SQL languages. Those things you want to understandable means compulsory some terminology is required. Side heading, step 1, connect. Step 1, connect. Now observe here, concentrate. 2 minutes concentrate, at least 5 minutes concentrate. Easily understandable tool names. Suppose I'm don't write, just observe here, 5 minutes only. I'm installing a Oracle software. Automatically, some place is reserved in a disk, that is Oracle database. One user is there, for example. This user wants to perform some operations in this Oracle database means which language this user using, which language? Anybody have an idea? Very good. I am also, you are also thinking SQL is a language, but unfortunately this is wrong one. Why? Because user okay, SQL language okay, this is a database okay, but unfortunately these are database servers actually. Whenever anybody user wants to perform some operations in those database servers means directly these users are not interact with the what these servers. Always these users are interact with the what? So now first client tool. Observe it here. Suppose these users are first connect to the where client tools or query tools. This is a client server architecture actually. This is a query tool or client tool. First, users are connect to the where client tool by using username password. I will tell you, don't worry. Through this client tool, through they connect to the where server by using a what? So now username and password. After that one only SQL, PL, SQL languages through they are operating a what? Some data in this Oracle database. How we are understandable that one means now I am drawing the diagram through this one, everyone understandable. This is not my diagram. Oracle Corporation giving how much easy way you are understandable means observe it here. Just maybe tools awareness purpose they are providing only. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now observe it here. Suppose this is original diagram. Slowly observe it here. Tools awareness purpose for newcomers purpose only maybe. Experienced persons, these are all the things everyone knows. Now check it out. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, 5 minutes, just observe it here. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, then automatically some place is reserved in a disk only. This is called Oracle database, for example. This is so many times I'm repeating. That's why this is a place where we can store structured collection of data. That is everyone knows. But unfortunately, reality side here in this Oracle database, so many collection of database objects are there. Tables are available, procedures are available, functions are available, triggers are available, synonyms are available, sequences are available, indexes are available, clusters are available. Like this, so many database objects are there. Relational data model products contains objects in a demo class side. I told you same like Oracle database is nothing but a what? Collection of database objects. These are collection of database objects. Suppose you are a first time newcomer, this much of knowledge you don't have an idea also. Oh, maybe collection of tables are there. You have an idea means enough. Really, these are collection of database objects. Collection of database objects, DB objects. Database objects. Okay, something is there. Okay, just observe here. Now, this is a server actually. Oracle database is server. Now, this is a user is there, for example. This is a user. Employees are having username and passwords. I will tell you. This is a user, for example. This user first connect to the where client to, or means I will show you practically also. This is client tool or query tool. This user first connect to the where client tool. These are called client tools. Otherwise, it won't work. Client tool. These are also called as query tools or client tools. Now, then only through this client tool, through their connect to the where this server. Once they are connect to the server, then only they are performing operations in these objects by using SQL is a language. SQL means non-technical person purpose. One special language, that is a non-procedural language. This is also called as structured query language. We are learning in a future. Structured query language. Query language. And now check it out. Observe it here. Slowly observe it here. But why this simple diagram Oracle Corporation also providing means these client tools are very important. I am installing, you are installing, otherwise in a project side, database administrator installing a what Oracle software, okay. Server is there, okay, this database is there, but unfortunately, these client tools different. Suppose whenever you are installing a what Oracle software, automatically one default client tool is automatically created. Automatic that one. What is that tool means? SQL plus or SQL star plus tool. Observe here. What are the examples of the client tools means? Observe here. Just names awareness purpose. First one is SQL plus tool. What is the first tool in a where? Okay, so now in a client tool side means everyone knows SQL star plus or SQL plus tool. But this tool is a what? Explicitly we are installing? No, not required. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically this tool is created. That's why this tool, everyone knows, this tool is also called as default tool. This is a default. Along with your software only they are providing, okay, default tool. I am also here also in our classes also. Through this tool, through we are interacting. But unfortunately, you are joining in a company. Suppose some working professionals also there in this batch. Those persons are compared to where this SQL plus tool, yes, they are regularly using SQL developer is a tool. That is a client tool. Through that tool only they are interacting because those are GUI tools that is automatically created. No, explicitly they are installing the tools. That's why only one default tool is what? SQL plus tool. Suppose regularly used tool either SQL developers, SQL server developers also, Oracle developers also. In the olden days, one extra tool is there. That is Toad is a tool. They are working only. But nowadays, companies are Toad is very less case. Toad is a GUI tool. That is a first software implemented. That software nowadays available in SQL Server also, Oracle side also. Both the companies are using Microsoft and Oracle Corporation. This is suitable for both the databases, Oracle and SQL Server. Again, another tool regularly used tool nowadays trending tool is SQL Developer. SQL Developer is a tool. Maybe so many working professionals are well-known person, this tool only. This is a graphical user interface. Run means some command, or execute means some command, okay, opening there's some command, okay, again, just GUI, graphical user interface is there. But SQL plus tool is not a graphical user interface, that is command line interface, same like a DOS prompt only. But learner stays very easy way, they are understandable, this SQL plus tool. Now observe it here, concentrate here. Another one is PLSQL developer is a tool. Another one is SQL Navigator is a tool, any tool, except SQL Plus. These all the tools are explicitly only you are installing. Suppose you are interested to install a what those tools outside, possible. Yes, always those trial softwares are available in a net only. Through that one, free trial softwares also you are installing explicit tools, not a problem. But project side original softwares they are using, but outside I am telling only. That's why except SQL plus tool, these all four tools are also called as GUI tools. That is graphical user interface tools only. That's why observe here, SQL plus tool is a default tool. Remaining all the tools are graphical user interface tool. Explicitly they are installing. Suppose observe it here in a net through. Anybody also in a Google, for example, Toad is a tool I'm typing. For example, Toad tool I'm typing. Now here, just here, Toad is a tool for SQL server side also available, and here Oracle side also available. Observe it here. That's why always here Toad is a tool is available in a where SQL server side also, Oracle side also. Observe here, these type of graphical user interfaces are there. Here somewhere we are writing a what coding execution, those all the things are there. Okay, yeah. One of these days I will tell you, but first initial stage not required. Here execution, these are all the things only. Okay, so now same SQL PL SQL languages or TSQL languages we are typing here execution side. This is a tool, that's all. Nowadays, tool is available in a MySQL also. So now observe it here. That's why different databases also using this tool, but this is not a default tool explicitly. So now here providing a what Quest software from that company, they are purchasing and they are installing a what in a original software side. But outside free trial softwares are there. Through that one, just you are downloading from the net and you are installing, not a problem. But here observe it here, SQL Plus is a default tool only. Now check it out. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, in Windows side, 1 minute observe here, yes, here Oracle is there. Navigation, I will tell you one of the stage SQL Plus is there or not already. I'm not installing SQL Plus. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, automatically this SQL Plus tool is there. This is a GUI, this is a command line interface only, same like a DOS prompt. One of these days, these passwords and also users, default users, I will tell you. Okay. Through this tool, we are connected to the where Oracle database. Now, some theory, write it, then diagram I will show you. Write it. If any user, connect step one, connect. Write it. If any user wants to perform, easy. If any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, if any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then those users first connect to Oracle database. Then those users first connect to Oracle database by using client tool. Then those users first connect to Oracle database by using client tool. All right, it first non-technical person purpose, these are all the things. Next para, write it. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, next class side we are installing, no? Yeah. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL Plus tool is created. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL Plus tool is created. That's why SQL Plus is a default tool. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL Plus tool is created. That's why SQL Plus is a default tool. This is a client tool, okay? Default tool. Okay, and now your first time newcomer means these tools awareness purpose. This diagram better to draw this one. Just understandable purpose. Okay, some names awareness purpose. Okay, this is a Oracle database, collection of database objects. Users are connected to the client tools. Through this client tool, they are connected to the server. How means practically I will show you one of these days, structured query language. This client tool example, SQL Plus tool, that is a default tool. Except SQL Plus tool, SQL Developer, PL SQL Developer, SQL Navigator. These are also called as GUI tools, that is graphical user interface tools. Draw this diagram. Slowly draw this diagram. In a working professionals are there, these are all the things not required because they are well-known persons in a tools also. Very good. All are drawing this diagram fast. Otherwise, take a snap through mobile. Okay. Okay. SQL plus tool within the bracket default tool. Write it. Complete it. Yeah. And now fast. Okay. Na? Yeah. And now check it out. Absolute here. First, you are learning a what daily. I am also you are also interacting with the what Oracle database by using a what this SQL plus tool. Through this tool only SQL star plus SQL plus tool to we are connected to the where server. That's a first we are learners always installing a what Oracle software means this type of SQL plus tool we are learning only. Then anything also easily understandable. First write it. Side heading example SQL plus tool. Okay, installation next only I will tell you. First, at least idea purpose is all. SQL plus tool means nothing is there. Okay, whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically installed. Yeah, you are not installing automatically Oracle software side. That tool is available. How can I view that one? Means navigation. I will tell you. Don't worry. Write it. SQL plus tool. Fastly write it. SQL plus is an interactive query tool. SQL plus is an interactive query tool installed automatically. SQL plus is an interactive query tool installed automatically. When you install Oracle software, how can you install? Means I will tell you. Oracle software. When you install Oracle software, first write it. When you install Oracle software, SQL plus has a command line interface, same like a DOS prompt, no? Yeah, right. SQL plus has a command line interface. SQL plus has a command line interface that allows users to connect to Oracle database server and execute statements interactively. And executes okay, now 1 minute only. On navigation, how means suppose you are installing a what Oracle software. Okay, next class side, one of the stage I will tell you installation. After that one, Windows side means how you are opening a what SQL plus tool means just observe it here. In a Windows side, very easy. Here, this start, okay, Oracle, where the Oracle is available, DB home is there. Just we have to open this one. Automatically SQL plus tool is there here. Once we are opening a what SQL plus tool, some username, passwords are there. Next, I will tell you what is that username, what is that password, Scott, okay, Tiger, okay, some sys, these passwords I will tell you one of these days. Then only through that one connect to the where database. Now here, just observe it here. Once they are connecting, then only they are performing a what operations on the where database. Daily they are interacting with the what database by using a what these type of commands through possible. Okay, now here only we are using a what SQL language or not? Yes, here. But unfortunately, Oracle 19C side directly I'm opening a what SQL plus tool, no, but olden days not like that. Application development is extra tab is there. Through that one, we are opening a what SQL plus tool because so many fellows are in our class also already in their system they're installing maybe their colleagues or their friends means olden day softwares 10G, 9i, 8i, okay, 11G. Those software side means different navigation, slight difference I will tell you. First this one navigation write it 19C side, but olden days 10G, 11G, 12C means different. Write it. Navigation write it. Start programs Oracle DB Home 1 SQL plus. Okay, na? And now actually here olden days 10G, 11G, these softwares anybody observing means here Oracle, ORDB, it will be there. No, yes, now I'm clicking this one means it is not visible this SQL plus. Here application development is another tab is there, olden days. Here application development, Windows side, okay, not a DOS prompt side. Application development is another tab is there. In that tab only this SQL plus is there. That's a slight difference only. Write it that one also. Here Oracle 10G, 11G, 12C olden days side. Here application development is there. In this one SQL plus tool is there. Oracle 10G, 11G, 12C. Here start programs, Oracle DB Home 1, application development, SQL plus. Right. Okay, na? Up to this one is enough. Tomorrow this extension I will tell you. First class, no, this is a first class. Anybody not having previous classes, don't worry. This is the smallest concept only. Easily understandable. You are reading also understandable, that much of easy. Okay, na? Once some other interpretation expressions, some concepts are there. After that one installation, I will tell you. Okay, then easily understandable. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Tomorrow. Thank you.